Peaceful, natural, mysterious, a simple and beautiful town that captures one's breath. A land of green rolling hills, vast rice fields, majestic mountains, and rich blue seas. Composed of 24 barangays and over 35,000 people that live harmoniously into this peaceful municipality. This is Santo Tomas. Two mountains are identified in this town. Mount Carmen is found in Patak, while Mount Kimalukong, a hat-shaped mountain, is found between Casilagan and Bail. Fishing is the major occupation of people along the coastal barangays. As a result, Santo Tomas is famous for the abundance of dried and smoked fish products, which are commonly sold along the national roads. Barangay de Mortiz is the busiest dried fish selling area of the town. It is also the landing port of vessels engaged in fishing. La Union's de Mortiz Barangay of Santo Tomas is dubbed as the Taboan of the North because of its priceless tanggit. Santo Tomas has long shorelines covering 11 barangays. Aside from these long shorelines, there is also a lake at the western part called the Kapengpeng Lake. The natives are deeply religious, as demonstrated by their devotion to the Señora Virgen del Mar Cautiva. The new Municipal Hall of Santo Tomas was built on the top of a hill situated at Barangay Patak after the old Municipal Hall was burnt. They also chose this present location, for it has a beautiful top view of Santo Tomas. If you reach this beautiful town, you will be welcomed by the warm smiles and hospitality of the locals. This will make you feel secure and at home. Agriculture and farming is practiced and is one of the livelihood of the people of Santo Tomas, especially those barangays located on the eastern part and near the hills and fields. In this municipality, organic farming was introduced and is being practiced. In the western part of the municipality, in Barangay Narvacan, is an island stretch called Sungyot Island. During high tides, there are lagoons formed, and if it is low tide, long sandbars appears, and it is a favorite place of the locals for picnics and swimming. I, Victoria Tavas, invites you to come, discover, explore, and create new memories in this beautiful town of Santo Tomas.